husband and wife talk about promotion. How was your day at the office, dear?
It was a special day for me today. How was your day? Did you do anything interesting today?
Oh, I learned a new recipe on YouTube today. I have made for dinner tonight.
What have you made for dinner?
I have made grilled chicken. I know, this is your favorite dish. So I thought I would try something new with it. But you haven't told me yet why today was special for you.
Be patient. I will tell you. You remember, last year we were talking about changing some of our furniture because they are old and worn out.
Yes, but we couldn't do it because we were having financial issues at that time. You didn't get the promotion at that time.
Yes, you are right. But now I wanted to tell you that I have finally got the promotion I had been waiting for, and now we can afford to redecorate our home.
That is amazing. I am so proud of you. Congratulations, dear.
Thank you. I know how important it is for you to redecorate this house.
You really deserve this promotion.
I couldn't have done it without your support. While I was away, working long shifts, you took care of the house and family. Now it's my time to do something for you.
Yeah, I know. So what do you do? What should we begin with?
First, you should make a list of things that we need to replace and things that we have to buy.
Sounds perfect. But first we should celebrate your promotion.
You are right. How do you think we can celebrate?
Let's go out for dinner.
But what about your grilled chicken? I think we should eat at home tonight. Tomorrow we will go out for dinner and celebrate together.
Okay, dear. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.